Welcome back to channel Auto Road Reviews, where we bring you in-depth looks at the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Bajaj CT 100, a bike that has long been a favorite for budget-conscious commuters. Let's see what this latest model has to offer first. Let's talk about the exterior. The CT 100 stays true to its utilitarian roots with a simple yet sturdy design. The 2025 model brings subtle updates, including refreshed graphics and a slightly more aerodynamic body. The overall styling is minimalistic but practical, with features like a comfortable single-piece seat and a neatly integrated grab rail. It comes in a range of attractive color options, ensuring there's a variant to match your style. The build quality feels solid, which is essential for a bike built to endure daily commuting under the hood. The 2025 Bajaj CT 100 is powered by a refined 102cc single-cylinder engine, delivering a balance of performance and fuel efficiency. With its power output of around 7.8 PS and 8.3 Nm of torque, it's not built for speed but excels in city riding conditions. The engine feels smooth, and the improved suspension system ensures a comfortable ride, even on uneven roads. The bike's lightweight design and agile handling make it perfect for weaving through traffic or tackling narrow streets. One of the biggest draws of the CT 100 is its exceptional mileage. The 2025 model claims a mileage of up to 90 km/L under ideal conditions, making it a standout in the commuter bike segment. Bajaj has also ensured that the bike adheres to the latest emission norms, keeping it environmentally friendly. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Bajaj CT 100 offers incredible value for money. Starting at just around 58,000 Indian rupees ex-showroom, it's one of the most affordable bikes in its category. For those looking for a reliable, low-maintenance, and cost-effective ride, the CT 100 continues to be an excellent choice. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Bajaj CT 100. Let us know in the comments if this bike meets your expectations or if you're planning to get one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to channel Auto Road Reviews for more detailed reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.